Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you and hope you are doing good. My name is Vivek Shukla and I am the founder and strategist behind the initiative of Actuator Vivek. I have dedicated myself to ever going deep research in exploring and uncovering the possibilities to unlock India's gateway to world leadership. And in the process, I met a number of profound people across sectors with different point of views and loaded with valuable experiences. But one thing I found in common that the education life of our youth is the most critical time in seeding, facilitating, protecting and cultivating the rightful competencies to let them lead this vision in their own and unique way. While we have been doing transformative and ingeniously crafted programs for teachers and students across schools and higher education, we convincingly observed that if we wish to take India to world leadership, parents need to play a desirable role in the schooling years of their children. And let me tell you, this will be a win win situation for every stakeholder, including the parent, that is you, the teacher, and of course, our children. So let me quickly take you through the broader stages of life. You will agree that this is the education period which gives a robust foundation to one's life. And the better we prepare our children in this period, the better they will be able to unleash their true, unknown, and best potential at the later stages. I am very happy to tell you that with the launch of NEP 2020, we are very excitingly waiting for the desirable changes in our education system. But with the current arrangement, it is only after the end of education life one gets to see the real world. And that's how she takes another 5 7 years to understand and settle down with the demand of the real world, giving an outburst in terms of achievement stage 1 and stage 2. This achievement stage 1 and 2 is a good window of 30 years when that individual gives meaning to his life and to their vision. Thereafter, we expect them to live their own way. If in case we zoom into the life from 0 to 30 years, we get to understand the interwoven roles of parents, teachers and the youth. Considering this blue triangle for the youth, we see that it is the childhood which goes till 11, but then they go through a transformational change between 11 to 14, and thereafter they enter into a vulnerable and highly energetic time. We call them youth. Thereafter, the life continues. The education period of our children ranges from foundation years to the PhD, but there are two very important contributors in their life: the parents and the teacher. And you see this particular slide, you will find that parenting is at the back stage while teaching is at the front stage. That's what is the reality of life too. Parenting plays its role from the backstage while teacher teaches from the front, and that's how the development of youth happens over a period of time. There is a contrast to it. While the role of parenting decreases over a period of time, the role of teachers increases over the same period. If in case we dig a bit deeper into teaching, we can break it primarily into two parts. One, from foundation to middle years, when the teachers work in tandem with parents, but from the secondary till the masters, teachers take the supreme role under whose guidance our youth unravels their true potential. Coming to the parenting side, we see one very strong contrast between parenting and teacher here. While we see that teachers keep on changing because they are the experts in their domain, they are the experts of their class, the experts of their subject, and maybe the super specialization. But the parent remains constant. So it would not be a hyperbole that it is the master umbrella of parents under whom the child develops with the support of our teachers. So primarily parents plays the role of a financer. There is one more thing to it. The sheet not starting from zero but before that. In the 21st century, or maybe the 21st century parents, we can easily say that only a few set of parents would get or introduce the new life just by going, but majority of them do plan in advance, and a set of 10 to 20% do struggle in bringing that new life in their life. That's how the importance of parent, that when you do so much of planning, the planning must go till a considerable time to give that robust foundation in the life of your children. And the most critical juncture is class 9 to 12. We have seen a number of parents breaking in this time, saying what to do now, because the good period of class kindergarten to 8, when they could have done visionary and strategic contribution to the development of their children, something went haywire, and that's how the resultant in class 9 to 12. Only a rare get to see the taste of super success like IITs, AIMS, government medical colleges, CLAT, or maybe the sports. But if in case we hit it rightly, the sky is the limit. Precisely, the most critical stages of parenting are kindergarten to class 8 specifically, and class 9 to 12 broadly. For this, Actuator Vivek brings visionary and strategic parenting mantras workshop for you. Follow us on to know more. Keep watching our upcoming teasers, and in order to connect with us, do fill up this form in the link below. Thank you.